Okay, folks, we're heading out now to Whitewater Falls here near Cashiers, North Carolina. And we were so impressed with this place last year.
Yes,
we decided to do it again.
Yes.
So I'm excited. Are you?
I am.
All right, go with us. Okay, so it's a half-a-mile walk up a paved path, pretty easy walk. Now the first point of observation is up here by this fence where you see people standing. Then there's actually what I think is a better view down the steps. There's another platform down there. And there is Whitewater Falls.
Not that I want to do dedication, but I want to go. I do.
The black man, let's go.
And this is much later.
I guess I stayed on the main road to get down on the body, but what I did see,
Yeah. I've been watching the YouTube videos. I know that.
I believe there's more water coming over than there was last year.
I think so.
You walk down quite a number of wooden stairs to get to the bottom. I actually prefer the bottom view. They're both very nice. And I am going to try to get some drone footage here as well. What do you think of Whitewater Falls?
It is very spectacular, very picturesque. We've been to the Yosemite Falls, the other ones in California, but for the color and just I think for the surrounding rock face and the trees, this is very beautiful.
Okay. Well, glad y'all enjoyed it. Melody, what do you think?
So this is just so, it's so beautiful in just a different way. There's just so many, you look at it and you think, oh, there's a waterfall coming off this rock, and then you like look a little further down and there's like 3 more coming off. And then I can't even see all, I can't put it in my film, on my camera.
That's just the upper one. There's a lower one too.
Oh, okay. It just keeps going and going like the eternal waterfalls. You can't see them all. There's so many of them.
So I have to ask, this one or Dry Falls?
I like them for different reasons. This is more.
That's a good politician answer there.
I'm avoiding the question. This one is more majestic, and it's just so different. It's nothing like the other one. The other one, because you can walk behind it, you can feel the water, and that gives you more the tactile, all the feelings of it. But this beauty, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's probably one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've seen.
All right.
Ever, including in California.
Well, we're very glad y'all enjoyed that.
Yeah,
So,
very beautiful.
way back up the steps, I noticed something I did not spot last year, and that is Lake Jockasee in South Carolina. We're in North Carolina, but through the trees, Lake Jockasee.
Look behind me.
Okay, well, thank y'all so much for watching this video of Whitewater Falls. We saw this place last year. It was so beautiful, we had to come see it again. I think the give and take is last year the colors were a little brighter than they are this year, but this year there's a lot more volume of water going over it than there was
That is
last
true.
year.
And it was sunnier last year. We got cloud cover
and that's
today.
probably got a lot to do with the colors looking a little bit less, is because it was sunny last year and it's kind of overcast now. But I do believe there's a lot more water going over it this year,
Yeah.
so it's a lot more full. So anyway, this is a beautiful place. It's just above the South Carolina state line. I actually think the lower part is in South Carolina. Well, just below Cashiers, North Carolina, Whitewater Falls, you got to see it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.
Finding Falls on Facebook.
All right, God bless.